Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be returning to Cana Bay, home of the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino and the Hard Rock Golf Club, a golf course designed by the legendary Jack Nicklaus. The ride from the Punta Cana International Airport is about 26 minutes depending on traffic and road conditions. We will be going over a new project of condos located just on the other side of the golf club, a short ride from the main entrance. The name of this project is BAYCANA, a project of 125 units made up of 1 and 2 bedrooms with the option to use an extra room as an additional bedroom. The developers of this project are ADN Empresarial, part of a company with a 95-year track history known as Construcciones Ramirez, headquartered in Spain. BAYCANA will consist of 5 buildings, each 5 stories high with 5 units per floor, totaling 25 units per building. It will be developed on a cul-de-sac, so there will not be any unnecessary flow of traffic. Every building has a different delivery date. The first building to be built is Building 4. It's the one closest to the social area on the left as you drive into the project. The 1-bedroom units will be approximately between 1,035 and 1,087 square feet of living space. The terrace will measure between 472 and 581 square feet. Yard space will measure about 321 square feet. Every apartment on the first floor in all 5 buildings will have a mezzanine, which can serve as a guest room, office, library, game room, or whatever suits you. The mezzanine on the first floor measures about 277 square feet. The rest of the unit is open floor concept with kitchen, dining and living area from which you can slide the glass doors open and walk out onto your spacious terrace. These 1-bedroom units will have its own private bathroom. There will also be a guest bathroom. These units start at $290,000. The 2-bedroom units with the mezzanine will measure approximately 1,329 and 1,345 square feet of living space. The terrace will measure between 523 and 799 square feet. The yard will measure between 569 and 2,592 square feet. The mezzanine will measure between 253 and 267 square feet. The master bedroom will have its own private bathroom. There will be a second full bathroom that can be shared between the second bedroom and guests. You will also have a kitchen, living, and dining area. These units start at $390,000. There's another 2-bedroom unit that also includes a studio, which, depending on your needs or desires, you can use it as a 3rd bedroom. These will measure about 1,623 square feet of living space. The terrace will measure about 647 square feet. The yard will measure about 2,710 square feet. The mezzanine will measure about 282 square feet. The 2 bedrooms will have their own private bathrooms. The 3rd bathroom will be shared between the 3rd room and guests. You will also have a kitchen, living, and dining areas. These units start at $450,000. The prices I just mentioned are for the first floor units. The units on floors 2 through 5 vary. The 1-bedroom units start at $250,000. The 2-bedroom units start at $340,000. And the 2 bedrooms plus studio units start at $400,000. The 5th floor units also come with rooftop terraces. If you want more information on the upper floor units, reach out to me so we can go over them. If I mentioned them all in this video, it would be too long. Then you'll be bored and turn to another channel, and that's the last thing I want. To add value to this video, here is some footage I captured a few days ago of the location of BAYCANA, the model 2-bedroom apartment, and social area that's being completed as we speak. As you saw on the bottom of the screen, if you invest in one of these units between today, Sunday, January 12th, and Friday, January 31st, you will receive a 5% discount. And that's not all. Every unit comes with AC units in every bedroom and common areas, water heater, stove, oven, fridge, and hood or extractor. Jacuzzis are available at an additional cost. The development will have swimming pools by building 1, between buildings 2 and 3, and between 4 and 5. This is separate from the main social area that's being prepared. The social area will also have a cigar lounge, gym and sauna, and rooftop cafe. Let's not forget about Cana Bay Beach Club, which you can get to from BAYCANA since it's part of the Cana Bay development. There is a fee to enter, but you will have two options. Pay every time you go, which goes against consumption, or pay for a yearly pass, which grants you entry as many times as you wish throughout the year, but you pay for your consumption. I'll explain how this works when you reach out to me. Building 4 is scheduled to be delivered by April 2026, Building 5 by January 2027, Building 3 by July 2027, Building 2 by February 2028, and Building 1 by December 2028. Once you reserve with $5,000 US, you get to choose from the following payment plans. Pay 90% with signed agreement to purchase and pay the remaining 10% upon delivery. Pay 20% with signed agreement, pay 60% during construction, and pay the last 20% upon delivery. Pay 20% with signed agreement, pay 40% during construction, and pay the last 40% upon delivery. As a final note, remember that construction has already started in Building 4 plus the social area. Reach out to me to make one of these units in BAYCANA yours. Call or text me to 809-223-8416 or send me an email to info@propertiesbymasters.com. Thank you for watching. If you found today's video informative, consider subscribing to the channel. It's free for you and helps us continue to grow. Also, if you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps others discover it. And don't keep these opportunities to yourself. Share this video with friends, family, or anyone who might benefit from these insights. If you wish to show me some love through financial support, you can click on the thanks button or click on my PayPal link below in the description. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Properties by Masters and visit my webpage at propertiesbymasters.com. See you in the next video.